What's going on? Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on a 1970 Buick Skylark Convertible. We have the top down because we just got back from a test drive, so definitely check that test drive out. You can see all of our cars on here on YouTube, test drive and walk around videos of each one. This one's got a 350 with power steering, has the AC compressor but is not working right now. Drum brakes all the way around on this car. Very clean inside and out. I'm going to be pointing out any kind of flaws so you know what you're buying when you get here. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos every day. At least try to. All right, guys, we're going to start over here on the trunk. It does need a new seal around the trunk. You can see water has been getting in here. I'm going to grab a towel and dry that before it causes any issues. This is a solid trunk. We got the spare tire bolted down in here with the jack and the hubcaps. I will shut it for now and I will get to drying it later. But I'm gonna finish this video here first, so show you the trunk shuts down nice and easy, lines up good, beautiful paint job. Let's start up here in the front. The bumper on this car is in pretty good shape. It does have its flaws. If you get real close, you can see some pitting popping up in the chrome. The grille is in great condition. The headlight bezels look nice and shiny. We're going to be getting low, looking for any kind of rust bubbles, scratches, dents, anything that you may want to know about. The tires are in good shape on this car. There's a dent right here in the bottom of the door. They must have ran into something. Got a light scratch coming down this. Somebody probably brushed up against it. That will come out. Bottom of the door's got some touch-up paint. The curve back here looks nice. I do like that on this car. A little touch-up paint there. And chip in the paint there. The top is nice on this. Before the end of the video, I'll have to put it up. Back bumper's the same way. Hitting showing up in the chrome. It's not in perfect shape. One exhaust pipe coming out this one. Touch-up paint right here on the side of the car. Touch-up paint on the inside of the door jamb there. A little bit of pitting popping up on the top of the door handle. Very light. Same with the mirrors. Get real close so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, let's go ahead and check this interior out. It's nice and clean. Little pitting popping up on the ashtray, kind of dirty through here. Seats look good to be white. That side over there has some splits in the seats. Driver's seat's in pretty good shape. Let's go ahead and jump in here. Get a little close. That white's fading throughout here, showing some dirt on top. Got a little Panasonic speaker in there. Haven't seen one of those in a while. Weather stripping looks good around the door. As we start on in the car, you can see the side right here has got a rip in the seat. This looks nice and good. Little tear right here. All the power windows work good on this car. Well, do I have the right key in the ignition is the question. There is. 2 square keys. 2 square keys. There's our good one. Starts up nice and easy. Got a good sound, listen to it. Showing 53,000 miles on the dash. Hard to stand behind that. In a 1970 model. Wipers do work. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Radio? Fan? No AC. The AC is not working. It's there and it's hooked up. Horn-wise? Yep, we're good there. Tilt column. All right, I told you we're gonna put the top up and that's what we're gonna do. Are you ready? Good deal, guys. Now once we get the top up, I'm gonna need both of my hands to do this. You just pull it down. Well, no, needed just one. Pull it out, clip it. Got all your switches on the windows here. A little slow when she gets up top. Be better if I open the door. I'm gonna show them all since it's power windows. Gotta look across the top here. Top seems to be in pretty good condition. Fairly new, I would say. A little bird poop on there. Motor's nice and quiet on this one. Insulation is still up under the hood and it's nice and clean. We'll go ahead and shut it down, see how it lines up. It's one of them big hoods, so you want to rock it back and forth so you're not causing any issues bending it, because they will bend. If it's stiff, rock it. Y'all gotta quit thinking that way. All right, guys, I'm gonna be giving y'all some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up in the front, go all the way around the car. Check out maplemotors.com for individual pictures, close to 100, financing information, and shipping. We ship this car all over the nation. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Check out the underneath. right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Like I said at the beginning, check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Hit that subscribe button and please share these videos. Y'all help us greatly by getting these out. Something new I'm going to start doing. If you like the music at the beginning of the video, join my other channel, Southgate Production. I'll start posting daily videos on there as well once I get the amount of subscribers. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.